In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Teams from your phone to your laptop. We'll cover all the steps you need to get started seamlessly, ensuring you can switch between your devices with ease and stay connected while on the go. First things first, you'll want to download the Microsoft Teams app onto your phone. If you're using an Android device, head over to the Google Play Store. For those on an iPhone, you'll find the app in the App Store. Simply search for Microsoft Teams and tap Install. This will make sure you have all the tools at your fingertips, no matter where you are. Now let's move on to signing in. Open the app and sign in using your work, school, or personal Microsoft account details. Depending on your security settings, you might need to complete a two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to keep your account secure, so don't skip this if prompted. With that setup out of the way, we need to ensure that Teams can function properly by allowing the necessary notifications and permissions. Allow Teams to access your microphone and camera, especially if you're planning to use it for calls or meetings. You can also choose to allow access to your contacts, which can make connecting with colleagues or classmates even smoother. Lastly, enable notifications so you stay in the loop with chats and meetings. Once you've set all that up, you're ready to join or start a meeting directly from your phone. Tap on the calendar icon to view your schedule. When you're ready, select your meeting and tap join. Alternatively, if you have a meeting ID or link, you can paste it in. You'll then have the option to join with audio and video, or if you're in a quiet place or on the move, choose audio only. If you prefer using your phone just for audio while participating in a meeting on your laptop, begin by joining the meeting on your computer. Look for the meeting controls and click on More, then select Use Phone for Audio. Here, you'll have two choices. Teams can call you directly, just enter your phone number, or you can dial in manually using a provided conference number and ID. And finally, a handy feature of Microsoft Teams is the automatic syncing of files, chats, channels, and meetings across all your devices. Once you've signed in, your phone and computer will stay in sync, ensuring you're always up to date with your latest communications. So there you have it. Connecting Microsoft Teams from your phone to laptop is a simple and straightforward process. With everything now set up, you're free to focus on staying productive and connected no matter where your day takes you.